back. So, I don't have my memory card, but this is just part 2 of the next video. So, see there, I had something in my head, and now it's gone. I need the damn memory card. Anyways, this is part 2. That doesn't look promising. Not sure what that is. Oh boy. Where's the crotch cam? I think I'm losing fluid somewhere. Frank's smoking. Not sure why. That's a lot of smoke. Oh, that doesn't help. Oh my God. Either I forgot to put it on. I'm an idiot. Oh my word. That's not good, you stupid idiot. Oh my word, I'm such a moron. So here's the thing. I always put that on. Is it the wrong one? Did it get blown off? I don't know what's going on, but this thing keeps making noise and there's no fluid in here. This thing keeps bubbling. I have air pressure in here. Keeps doing that. All right, do I steal the carburetor off this car? That's just an Edelbrock. That should run. Looks wet. Smells like gas. I don't know, could be oil on it. Frank's running, I don't know. I don't know if I'm running too rich. What? I have no idea. My eyes are burning in the shop. I can smoke everywhere. So I don't know, I think Frank might have some issues. Definitely something's coming out of the exhaust. It's freaking blue. Drives down the road so freaking nice though. All right, so we're not losing fluid again, hopefully. I can't tell.
Well, don't pop that off.
I'm not.
It's not super hot, and I don't see anything, and it wasn't steaming off the tailpipe. So.
Oh, it's got pressure. That's the first time I had pressure. Russell came to help me. There's Russell. All right, so we are on. So as of this video, right, today is Saturday. The show is next Saturday. So, but I'm leaving on Wednesday. Russell was nice enough to bring me a carburetor off his car. Everybody's helping me. Still have steering column issues. And just so you guys know, everything you see in my videos where everything where I screw up, I'm really screwing up. This is not for show. I really do these stupid things. So Russell's gonna put the new carburetor on because it was leaking everywhere. It was a puddle yesterday. I should have recorded that and showed you guys, but everything was leaking out of all the seals and everything. All right, so we're gonna edit some of that out too. So Russell's gonna work on that. So, this is as clean as I get. So, you may not recognize me when you see me at Lake George because I'll look not a mess. So just so you know, oh, I think that's the guy, but he always looks freaking filthy. And I'll be like, yeah, this is me. I'm actually clean. This is what I have to stop and do. You know what I mean?
Yep.
You said all the bolts came out very easily, surprisingly easy.
Yep.
This is what's holding you right here.
Oh, no, I'm back here. That's what's holding me right back there. The hunt for tools in Tim's shop.
Yeah, I just, whatever. I kind of put them everywhere. My son just showed up. He brought me 2 big jack stands so we can get this thing up in the air. This thing drives fine as I'm driving down the road. Shift it, it's like no issues. But freaking wicked chatter. I'm wondering, before I freaking do the clutch, this is not freaking bolted in. There's no freaking bolts holding the freaking thing in. And I'm wondering if that's what's going on. He goes to turn and it's bouncing this thing up and down. All right, so what I'm gonna do, Russell's gonna change the carburetor. Before I get into this, I'm gonna put bolts in this and we're gonna drive it back down the road. Because if this thing doesn't chatter, I'm not changing the clutch. That would be awesome if I don't have to change the freaking clutch. All right, so we went to go put the carburetor on. This is in the way, it's hitting the carburetor, that and this. So I'm gonna try, hopefully I can do it without destroying it. get it out of the way a little bit. This'll work now.
I think maybe like a evap or something.
Perfect. Improvise, baby.
Improvise.
Okay, another issue. That stud right there is in the way. It won't mount. Won't allow me to mount the throttle cable on this thing.
This needs to go.
All right, I can't make it up. Russell's laughing at me. The freaking thing fired up. I forgot to freaking connect the freaking radiator cap, the freaking distributor caps. I was gonna do something.
Fired up and ran, and this thing was floating around like this, and I'm screaming, "Turn it off! Turn it off!"
Unbelievable. All right, distributor cap is on tight. Russell said, "Now watch, it won't start." That's par for the course with this thing. Okay, get it. All right. Oh, that ain't freaking bad at all. If that's all the chatter it does, I'm not changing that clutch. Oh, that's freaking beautiful. It's hardly chattering at all. Who would have thought?
Is the carburetor better?
I know.
Huh? So far?
So far, so good. Oh yeah, it's freaking amazing. Let's see what else we freaking wreck on the way. A little chatter, but not bad. Slow as heck this car is.
And it never ceases to amaze me what people throw away. But honestly, if you have a little bit of body work experience and you have a couple weeks, this car was saved.
It was saved.
You know?
Oh, we should check the gear oil. Front end, front and rear.
Yeah. Your directional's still on. The light's on.
Yeah, I was gonna change the column.
Yeah.
This is, we're not gonna be on, we're on pavement now, so we'll see if it chatters.
It does, but
I
it's
can
not
deal with
bad.
that. I can deal with that. I can deal with that, seriously. Yeah, I can deal with that. Wow, it just saved us hours of time. Hours. Look at chatter, that's nothing. I'll deal with that. Sweet. High five. Freaking thing rides beautiful. All right, Russell. That is awesome. I think we're gonna make it to Lake George.
You're definitely going to make it to Lake
Definitely
George.
gonna make it.
I'll be there in spirit.
Check the gear oil for sure.
First Mustang I've ever seen not go off the road. That wasn't Frank. Yeah, there's Frank. This thing needs a good scrubbing.
Yeah. So, all right, we just got back. We went up the street, did a burnout. I got pressure in my line. Hopefully, there's no antifreeze in the engine. A little bit of a leak on the valve cover. That thing in the back here is still leaking. Back there, I gotta change that out. My temperature sense, what is it? My oil, this thing is leaking, so I gotta change that out still. A little bit of a chatter, but boy, just tightening some bolts on a transmission mount, that really saved the day. I'm not doing a clutch in this thing now. So, we were supposed to check this before I shut the hood. Like I said, I can't make this crap up. Freaking.
It latched.
Yep. All right, so check out the battery because it wasn't starting before. Here. Hopefully it turns over easier. It just seems like it's not charging. Oh, you might have that issue too.
Oh.
My alternator's not charging. Or it just doesn't like to start hot. Wow. Unbelievable. There's a battery.
Yep.
Definitely was a battery. Alright, well that's done. Good. I can go save $200 and never turn that clutch. So, no, I got smoke coming out. Maybe it's just the antifreeze burning off when it spilled. No? Steam?
Yeah, everything's wet in there.
I know. It's...
And
So-
you have some antifreeze drip right down through here.
Do I have a drip? I do have a drip right there. All right. I don't know what Jordan's doing. We lifted the car up. We got our own frame lift. That's it. Boy, you're cute. You're gonna lose your hair, dude. It's just... Look at them locks. Those lovely.
I didn't bring my flashlight.
Lovely lady locks.
You want to their online store?
There we
They
go.
actually sell this.
I'm gonna pull it out of Zeus. And who said this?
I mentioned these headlights look similar.
Yeah. How about the ones in the minor? Yeah. So now I'm still in minor parts. I wouldn't have to do this if I didn't drop the freaking headlight in the first place. All right, so this is a reenactment of actual events that happened just moments ago. Look at this freaking headlight. Who the frick put that screw in there? Who the heck would do that?
Didn't you already change this headlight?
That one works.
Yep, we got both.
All right, and the high beams are on the floor. What the f is that thing? Oh, there it is. I guess it's
Driver's high beam. They're switching.
It's switched.
Driver's is definitely brighter than the
Do
passenger.
that again. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's good.
Yeah,
right?
perfect. Yep.
All right, it's working.
cool. Again and again. Hopefully for the last time.
Get the lights shining. Nice clean shop again. There's Russell. Just showing you how I work in a freaking whirlwind. All right, so we're getting there. Whirlwind mess. This is how we look for screws when we need it. We dump buckets out and we find them. Yep, this is what it does. I can tighten that up. That's annoying, huh? Still working. 7:45. Got a bunch of stuff done to it. Yeah, it's squealing. But everything's working. Well, I'll fix that tomorrow. All right, so then I get the recon team doing. We're gonna clean it up for the show. Hopefully we can get it all ready. It's get nice and shiny when you guys see it. It won't even look the same. They're trying real hard.
Beware of the stripes. Those are original factory stripes. You don't want to ruin them.
Everyone, let Wayne
How you people doing back here? Oh, somebody's doing a really good job up there.
Somebody missed this whole area.
Boy.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, and everybody get out of here. I have STD. So I got this from Max the other day. Just like to say thank you, and I feel bad for all the people and the runner-up and all that. So, but I'm happy. I can't believe out of all the people in the whole world, me. I'm flabbergasted. Can't believe it. I'm very happy about this. Sorry for everybody else that didn't quite make it. Maybe you're in the top 10 or something, but me, of all the people, me. I can't believe it. I'm so excited. Thank you. I say thank you, thank you, thank you. So the T-tops, they are not coming off. They are not coming off, so I guess they're staying on. I don't know if you can see that. A big chunk of rust in there. I've already been trying to pick it out of there. It was really big before. That wasn't helping me. So I'm literally working right here. Go to get a screwdriver and a hammer to fix the rust that was on this pulley. Come back. Go to adjust it with my bar that I have for the power steering pump. Where's the bar? Why would I have taken it with me? Where did it go? Found it. I walk off looking for one thing, set this down, pick the other thing up and walk away. Then I gotta look for this part. That's what I do all the time. So I drove it. I got an intake leak. I get fluid coming out. I don't know if I have time to fix it. Somewhere over here, looks like it's leaking around the intake here. I loosened it. Do you have a half inch?
What, do you want to ratchet?
That's where I was leaking. Didn't tighten those two bolts down after I replaced this. Now you see why I need a memory card. I don't remember stuff. So I'm not a mechanic. Do auto body, I know when it's done. I sand it, I prime it, I paint it, it's done. This unbolting mechanical stuff, I don't remember to put it back in. Okay, I just got Frank back from Dean's house. A little bit of smoke on it, but no, it's not leaking. Thank goodness. I probably should get some hoses for sure. Everything looks good. So I'm jacking Frank back up again. Got a major wobble. I didn't change the clutch. I got a major wobble at like 55. Most of the ride there is 45, 50. So I should be okay. But I can't go over that, that's for sure. And I don't have time to get in alignment. So it's Monday. So let's see, I'm gonna check the new joints. Maybe that's what's going on. Now I'm jacking up the front end. Steve's gonna come over here and help me figure something out. See if the front end's messed up. I'm missing those. So Stevie said come over and steal them out of the Monte Carlo. So I'm stealing them out of the Monte Carlo. Coming down to my house and I ran out of gas. I think that's what it is. But this should start me now. I had half a gallon in the other one. Oh, I should have saved some to prime the carburetor. Oh, stupid. Can you give that one back for me?
Oh, sorry, I shouldn't have said that.
Gonna check my transmission mount. It's still bouncing real quick. Stevie said it could be something like that. So as I'm driving down the road, passing Steve to go steal his doorknobs, he was driving into my house and giving me two doorknobs, whatever you want to call them. I think I have enough gas. So I'm thinking this is no good. The tranny mount is no good. So it's still bouncing all over the place. Oh yeah, that's no good. So lucky Jordan came over yesterday and had a box of stuff, and that he had a mount in there. He gave me a box of stuff. Okay. Another problem we're having today. Today is Tuesday. I'm leaving tomorrow. So I fixed the tranny mount. Now I got a gas leak. Okay, so if you're trying to look for the car, you can't find it, just make sure you look at these. Look for these. These are on the door locks. Then you'll know it's the right car if you're looking at it for Lake George. Okay, change of plans. If you're coming, I only have one of them in. The other one I had to put a regular one in. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. See you guys in Lake George.